Imagine a world where doctors, teachers, and even entire industries are replaced by artificial intelligence. Bill Gates says that future isn't decades away, it's just around the corner. Tech visionary Bill Gates believes AI is on the brink of transforming society in ways that will make today's world unrecognizable. From diagnosing diseases to teaching children, AI is poised to take over tasks that once required human intelligence. According to Gates, AI might just rewrite the rules of work and life as we know them. Speaking on The Tonight Show, starring Jimmy Fallon, the Microsoft co-founder painted a startling picture of an AI-dominated future. The era that we're just starting is that intelligence is rare. You know, a great doctor, a great teacher, Gates explained. And with AI over the next decade, that will become free and commonplace. Great medical advice, great tutoring. While that may sound like a technological utopia, Gates warned of the profound disruptions that will come with it. AI could solve major problems, like the shortage of doctors and mental health professionals, but it also raises unsettling questions. A 2-day work week? Gates suggested AI could make traditional work weeks obsolete. Should we just work 2 or 3 days a week? He asked. I love the way it'll drive innovation forward, but I think it's a little bit unknown if we'll be able to shape it. Gates expressed concerns, saying, legitimately, people are like, wow, this is a bit scary. It's completely new territory. The billionaire's concerns echo those of other tech leaders. In 2023, Gates joined AI experts, including OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and Google DeepMind's Demis Hassabis, in signing an open letter warning that AI poses risks on par with nuclear war and pandemics. Will humans become obsolete? Fallon didn't shy away from the ultimate question. I mean, will we still need humans? Gates' response was as blunt as it was unnerving. Not for most things, he admitted. Gates reassured the audience that some human-led activities like sports would remain, saying, we won't want to watch computers play baseball. But when it comes to productivity, AI will push boundaries previously thought impossible. In terms of making things, moving things, and growing food, over time those will basically be solved problems, Gates predicted. The race for AI supremacy governments have been slow to regulate AI despite its potential to disrupt industries and displace millions of workers. The closest effort has been the annual AI Summit, where global leaders discuss governance and the future of human employment in an AI-driven world. Meanwhile, companies are fiercely competing to develop the most powerful AI models. Recently, Chinese AI chatbot DeepSeek shook the industry by outperforming some of its biggest rivals, including OpenAI's ChatGPT. It achieved this feat in just 2 months with a fraction of the resources, sending shockwaves through the AI market. The success of DeepSeek caused a sharp drop in NVIDIA's stock. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, one thing is clear: the world is entering uncharted territory. Will AI free humanity from mundane tasks, or will it make people obsolete? Gates doesn't have all the answers, but his warning is clear. The question isn't if AI will reshape society. The question is, are we ready for it?